Greetings and good day. This is Christopher Freese here at Freese Forge, and today we're going to take this bit of angle iron and turn it into some shelving brackets like these. If you'd like to see just how we did that, stay tuned, because it's coming up now. my shelving brackets are all complete. I quite like how these turned out. The second one definitely turned out better than the first. Kind of worked out all the kinks and problems that I had with this one in the second one. And I think the next set of shelving brackets that I make, I'm gonna forge the first one and record the second one and hopefully create a little bit better of a video for you. If you have any suggestions as to how I could have made these better, please do leave a comment. I am always welcoming of constructive criticism. In fact, Cunningham's Law is kind of the reason why I started this YouTube channel in the first place, so please do leave a comment. Your feedback is greatly appreciated and necessary for my growth. Thank you for helping me. It turns out that my videos also help a lot of other people besides just myself, which is pretty cool. I didn't expect or intend for that to be the case when I started YouTube, but now that it is, I'm very happy about that. Speaking of welcomes, I welcome you to come and join me for my birthday live stream. I'm turning 33 on the 27th, and at 9 o'clock Pacific time, I will be having a live stream where we're going to be forging some hooks and maybe some nails to be able to hold these up. The hooks because I want to be hooking on my birthday, so I'm going to make some hooks on my birthday because it just sounds funny. And the nails because I want to be able to hold up these and the hooks. See, the hooks are going to be going on my back wall, and the shelving brackets are going to be going on my side walls in the revamping of my forge location. Make it look a little less garagey and a little more forgey. Yeah, I think you get what I mean. Anyway, please stop in, say hello. We've got hopefully a bunch of other YouTubers coming to join us as well. Scalagrim's hoping to be able to make it and be there in the comments, as well as the Ganthran, Thor's Forge, a few other YouTubers as well. So please do come on in, and if you don't get to make it, well, that's okay. You can always live vicariously through us and observe the joy that we had on my birthday celebrating forging by checking out the video after the fact. And right now, there's a link in the video, in the description of this video, where you can go either wait for the live stream to start, because it's going to be starting pretty soon, or view the video, the live stream, after the fact. Anyway, that's enough for me today. Thank you all very much. Thank you to my patrons. Thank you to everybody who has been such a great support to me over for my trials and tribulations over the last year. I think things are back in full swing. Let's go, guys. Let's make a lot more videos. Let's have a lot more fun. I've got great things planned. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. We'll see you at the live stream. May the Force serve you well.